Greetings, Legionnaires. Here is another separate video showing off one of the rooms we'll be staying at here on our trip to Walt Disney World here in 2021. Thank you so much to our benefactor, who we'll talk about later, but I want to give you a quick resort room tour before we destroyed it. I'm just kidding, we're not going to destroy it, but anyway, here we are at the Polynesian. Oh my gosh, like one of my favorite resorts of all time. It's so cool that we're here. It's kind of mind-blowing, but let me show you the place. So when you enter, you see this right here, and as my sister pointed out, like right away, oh my gosh, Space Mountain. We have a crazy killer view. We are up in the Moria building, or Moria? I don't know, we haven't decided. Anyway, this is a door to an adjoining room, but it has a big mirror here that you can say hello and wave at yourself. This is the first, this is like the full bathroom that you get when you take a right. Nice picture here of the mermaids. Nice big sink. There I am again. Hello. And then you have, you know, this really nice pattern for the shower curtain and the shower and the tub and the toilet. It's huge. It's actually quite big, as you can tell. But if you keep going, as Katie pointed out to me, there is a second bathroom. This is not a full bath, but this is where the shower is located with a sink and a very amazing rain shower. Yes, thank you. Oh, gosh. Another mirror. Hello. But then if you come over here, you have a little like kind of kitchen nook area. You got your microwave here, your sink here, your fridge, which has nothing in it. That's okay, we just like to do that. Before I move on to the bedroom, we also have a closet here that I neglected to show off. Got the little luggage rack, safe if you need it, some extra pillow and blankets, some stuff here if you need to do any laundry or hanging things up. And then we go down over here. As Katie has displayed now, this is a bed that folds up, but it's cool to have it unfolded. Katie actually might sleep here tonight. You can see Lilo and Stitch there. It's actually a pretty good sized bed. And everything considered, this room is actually pretty big size. There's Katie over there. Katie, wave at them. There she is. Another mirror. Oh my gosh, so many mirrors. A pretty big television screen here as well. And then you got this big old bed right here. And that is an actual hideaway, right? Mm-hmm. That you confirmed. Yeah. And we also have this kind of like large, I don't know what you'd call that, chest or whatnot. But the pièce de résistance over here. We must go look at the view. Can I open it up though in one go? I don't know. Oh, I did it. I'm the best. It's huge. Oh my gosh. This view is kind of nuts. So there's a party going on out here. And as you can see right there, we've got the contemporary Space Mountain and Magic Kingdom, Cinderella's Castle. And then over to our left, look at that. It's the Grand Floridian. This view is kind of nuts. So probably gonna hang out here. And yeah, kind of a shorter video, but I just want to show this off pretty quick. There's Katie looking out over this beautiful place. We're only here for one night. I want to take a moment to thank our benefactor, Lori. Thank you so much. She had DVC points that she could not spend before they got up here in June, and she allowed us to use them, so thank you so much. We appreciate it. We wouldn't be staying here without that, because usually we're Pop Century folks. Nothing wrong with that. It's just that's just how it goes, you know, because a room like this normally much more expensive than that, so just keep that in mind. But yes, Polynesian, I'll talk about it maybe more later on, just to kind of give you some impressions tomorrow after we actually stay here and kind of get a feel for the place. But yeah, that's just kind of a quick room tour for you. Hope you enjoyed it. I forgot to do one incredibly important thing, and that's test out the bed and see the softness of it. Now, Polynesian is the king of pillows. We have 6 pillows here. Katie has none, 6 for me. I'm kidding. Katie, you can have 1. But anyway, let's try this out. Ready? Oh. I went almost, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so nice. It's kind of like a cloud. Oh man, it's nice. I'm just gonna, here we go. Oh, there we go. All right, there we go. All right, but I gotta go sit out and enjoy this night, because how many nights do you get to actually see this view? I'm gonna just give you the view without me talking for like a minute so you can enjoy it. Maybe hear the horn blow a time or two. Here we go. But before we go outside, I wanted to show you guys some of these pictures in here. They're so cool. Like this one, oh my gosh. Who wouldn't want to have this like hanging in their house? Ugh. And then like after going to see the tiki room earlier today, getting those tiki vibes, aren't you? Don't they look good? If you could pick one to have in your house, which one would you have, Katie?
Oh, I like the one on the left.
This one?
Yeah, they're super cute.
They are super cute, aren't they? Oh my gosh. Yeah, maybe that one too. I do like this toucan though. He seems very confident. Also, look at this cool Maui lamp. Ugh, just like classic Polynesian. It's just so cool, and it's kind of like lava rocks underneath. Ugh, it's so good. Okay, on to the porch, on the balcony. I don't think I can impress upon you guys enough how alive it feels here tonight. The Magic Kingdom closed down at 9 p.m. So they're still shuttling people back because it's a little after 10 right now. You can kind of see over there they've got the ferries and they're pretty full still. But it's just so cool to hear the boat's horns going off and seeing the bungalows out here, which are incredibly cool. Maybe one day we'll get to stay out there. Oh, that'd be so cool. But I've seen so many vloggers get the chance to stay in places like this over this kind of past really crazy year and a half. And so I kind of know what's here, but it's really weird to be here myself. And yeah, I'm just so thankful. I'm so thankful for the opportunity, even if it's for one night though. You know, it just, it's kind of like Cinderella, you know? Just get that one opportunity and my goodness. Oh, and now the waves are coming in. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is cool. I could sit out here for a long time. The funniest thing about this balcony is the fact that the chairs sit so low. So if you come and you sit in the chair here, this is what you're gonna see. So you have to kind of scrunch down or kind of peek up a little bit to see it, but still a wonderful view. And the chairs, well, it's hard to tell. I'm here. They're pretty comfy, actually. It's like pretty good. And good morning, everybody. Here is what it looks like in the daytime. Oh my gosh. Almost could sit out here all day just looking at all this. Again, the Grand Floridian over there to our left. You can kind of see Big Thunder Mountain way over there, and I think Chickapin Hill is right over there next to it. Again, kind of hard to see at this distance. If I zoom in, you won't be able to see anything. And then, obviously, Cinderella Castle over there, Space Mountain looking gorgeous as ever, and the Contemporary over there. You can see the lovely ferries, the workhorses just bringing people in, just doing work. Oh, so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour, and if you want to see more videos like this, please just let me know down in the comments. And until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. Welcome to our Polynesian DVC Resort room tour. Yes, another separate video. Oh my gosh, the phone is ringing. Hold on.